to me, but actually what is more important to me is that we have fun right now, and I don't care if we break the record or not. I just really want this last day here to be fun, and I mean it's going to be epic anyway. We're going to try and break the world record. That's awesome. I am Yasmin, and my team and I will introduce later, are going to try to break the record of tallest stack of pancakes. My application number is 1802171349007TSOP. These are the people who are going to bake the pancakes. Adela. Hello. Murray. Hi. Viola. Can I have your camera?
Oh yeah.
Amelie.
Ahoy. And then witness?
And then
Witness.
She's a witness?
Yes.
witness.
Yes.
Awesome. And one of the people who is going to make the pancakes, Monica, she's printing right now. But we'll get to her when she gets here, I guess. Let's start mixing.
Come on! Oh yeah! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Come on in, hang your coats, eat our chips, come on, we've got loads. Shake your coconuts, cocoa boys, until that nut comes out. Come on, cocoa girls, just keep on dancing now, just keep on getting down, just keep on having fun. The fun is just begun. Just keep on dancing now, just keep on getting down, just keep on having fun. The fun is just begun. All dressed up and dressed to kill. Doctor says, come on, eat your pills. Shake your coconuts, cocoa boys, until that milk comes out. Come on, cocoa girls.
Until now it was all fun and games. Now it's
Yeah, these
action.
have to be at the bottom because that.
Just keep on dancing now, just keep on getting down, just keep on having fun. The fun is just begun. Just keep on dancing now, just keep on getting down, just keep on having fun. The fun is just begun. It's junior, time to show us you can. Just feel the power, put your hands in the air. Hey boys and girls, we want to see what you got. We wanna see you shaking coconuts.
It's 21 centimeters.
Still a lot to do.
Yeah, well, it must be. Oh my god!